Hey guys, welcome to Diko graphic design tutorial. This afternoon, I'm having an amazing news for all my viewers, all my subscribers. I designed an app, and this is an amazing app. This app is basically for all my viewers. Once you have this app, so you are indirectly having an access to all my video on YouTube channel. When you download this app are in two ways. I decided to design it in two ways. One, it's designed specifically for all kinds of video that I always post on my YouTube channel. That is, what do I mean by this? I design it in form of my playlist. So if you actually have this app on your phone, so you can, once you open it, you click on my video. Let me show you how the thing is how it will work. So as you can see here, these are the two apps specifically designed by me. So when you click on the first app, you see this is it. When you click on the app, if you have it, so as you can see, you see when you click on the app, this is how. Let me close it and reopen. So when you click on it, it will show like this. These are my what? Even the new video. Once you have this app, whenever I update my channel, you don't need to go there. Once you click the bell icon and you have been notified that a new video has been dropped, so the next thing you just need to do is to open your app. This app that designed by me. Immediately you open it, you see the new video at the top. So I've arranged in such a way that the last updated video will be the first thing that you will see at the top. And as you can see, I just upload this video. Not even quite long, not up to 5 minutes now that I upload this video. So as you can see, this is the first video that you are able to see here. So now you see, I upload this video not up to 2 days ago. You see, these are my videos on my YouTube channel. So once you have this app, it continues to load all my videos and you watch them. You continue to load all my videos and you see there one after the other, and when you see the description is already there. So let me open one for you to be able to see. So when you click this, you see you can actually share the video. You see, you copy or you share the video to anybody. So you can like the video, the person, you see the one I post not even up to 5 minutes now. These are the description and these are my resources and everything that you need to know. So you can actually download this video. You can download it directly to your phone. You can watch as you want. So you don't need to stress yourself. And once you click it, it will even indirectly show you all the similar video regarding to that. And this one is not in what? It's not in playlist. These are all my video in general. So now let's go into what, or let me show you how you will watch them. So the one that you've watched will show here. So like my own, yesterday after I designed the app, I tried at least to test it whether it will work. So the one I watched yesterday was the one that show here. So anyone you've watched, it will automatically drop at the watch area. So you see this is the whole video. Let me click it. When you click it, you see what, and the amazing thing is this, it's always playing in landscape. You see, so you can see directly. So you see the color touch of fire. See, so this is what I decided to do to help more of my subscriber. And let me show you the second one I'm talking about. This is the second one. When you install the app, I will post the link. You see, immediately you select or open the app, you see this is the PLP file, and this is the only video I dropped there under my playlist. You see, this is the birthday flyer. And when you open the birthday flyer, everything about the birthday flyer has been posted there. When you come to the billboard, everything about the billboard is inside that one. You come to a magazine, so everything about the magazine, as you can see, is dropped there. So when you come to pixelar tip and tricks. You see, let me go to banner design. Under the banner design, everything about the banner design, like exactly like my playlist, is being imported here. So that is exactly what I decided to do. And when you come to logo, I have a lot of logo being designed, but this shows the old one. So it started with the old one. So you can see these are all my logos till the updated one. So it continued to be loading even till the recent one, and I can show you this is the last logo I updated on my video, which I'm going to post another one today. So you can see these are my words, these are all my logos. So you can download. I will post the two link and see poster and flyer design. So when you want to access all my flyers and poster design, is what is there indirectly. So these are the two apps which I decided to design basically for all my viewers, all my subscribers, so that you don't need to go to YouTube always to check on whether I've updated a new video or searching for maybe a particular video. So I decided to design an app that will contain all my video, including even the one that I've not even posted or the future one. So once you have the app, you just need to be checking the app whether I've updated a new video. So once you check it, you see the new video. And another method is this: once you click the bell icon, you shouldn't be worried. So once you click the bell icon, you shouldn't be worried. So immediately a new video has been dropped, you will be notified. But at times I discovered that the YouTube are not or let me say the notification is fluctuating at times, because at times I will post a video for 2 days, maybe 2 days ago, and some people will be notified maybe after 2 days or a day, which is not really okay. You have to be notified immediately I post the video. So that's the reason why I look at all this area, and that is exactly why I decided to make a more research on how I can design an app that will contain all my videos, so that all my viewers will be able to, and all the upcoming graphic designer that are watching my video in one way or the other, to upgrade their knowledge, and to be for all the beginner and the newbie. Let me say the newbies as well, so that they can be equipped with all my skills and the creativity as well. So this is an amazing news for you guys. Just download the app. It's free. It's totally free. I didn't monetize it. So when you download it, and believe me, everything about my video, everything did not change. It's just an exactly video that you are watching on the YouTube. So it's more or less a YouTube link that to all my video. I just post it in that. I just imported it to this particular app. So you are indirectly watching the video in my channel as well. But one thing is that the network won't be fluctuating. You are using another server entirely being linked to our YouTube channel. So, and when you are watching it, the same MB you are using, even it's even minimized, because it's something I've tested, and I check and test and I retest very well. So that is the amazing news I have for you guys. So these are the two apps. So when you I will drop the link at my at the description of this video. So I named the app as a Diko graphic tutorial. So once you download the app, and I will put the two links at the description of the video. Just feel free, download it directly, click the bell icon so that you'll be notified, and don't forget to share, comment and likes if you like my video, so that I will be honored and I will be encouraged to be posting a new video always. Thanks for your support. God bless you.